The threat of bushfires is still very real despite weeks of wet weather. Campers visiting local state forests have to take in their own gas supplies because of fears about the plantations catching alight in the warmer conditions.
It's a pristine camping spot, but as we saw in 2009, the area around the Macquarie Woods can so quickly turn dangerous. All that's needed is a couple of hot days.
Not so many months ago, there was a terrible fire down the bottom and that gentleman got terribly burnt, and that's a prime example, I believe. Yeah. Stick to the rules, yeah.
The plantations here in the Central West extend from Orange in the west over to Lithgow and Oberon in the east. They're valued at over $300 million and support a $1 billion industry.
Even with all the rain we've had over spring and summer, the threat of fire is still very real. That's why Forests New South Wales is urging campers to stay vigilant and obey the rules.
We've got a ranger here at Macquarie Woods, and we've got a couple of rangers in our region that patrol the state forests. They let people know what they can and can't do.
That means all fires using solid fuels such as wood or charcoal are banned. Instead, campers need to bring gas cooking appliances.
If we see people actually out there with barbecues or doing the wrong thing with fire, we can quite easily pick up a grass fire, which will mean that we have to chase that.
We get people from interstate and overseas that often are not aware of what the rules are. So just a quick conversation normally sorts that out.
Over the next few months, forest rangers will also be cracking down on illegal motorbike use after a number of complaints.
If you are found riding a motorbike unlicensed or unregistered in a state forest on a road, that means you can actually be fined under the New South Wales road rules.
Antonia Morrow at Macquarie Woods, Prime News.